Have you been feeling moody lately and can't seem to shake it off? Well, one reason might be low serotonin levels in your brain, which really affect your mood. Don't worry, you can naturally boost your serotonin, and today we'll talk about how food plays a role. While there's no food with serotonin, some research suggests that eating foods rich in tryptophan can help raise serotonin levels. This is because tryptophan is linked to making serotonin in your brain. However, it doesn't work the same for everyone and depends on factors like anxiety, depression, and lifestyle. For some, tryptophan supplements may help because they can get into the brain. Research also shows that low serotonin levels can increase the risk of mood disorders like depression, possibly due to the gut-brain connection. Let's talk about 5 foods that can boost serotonin. Number 1, eggs, you might wonder. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, when it comes to eggs, they're a good source of a special amino acid called tryptophan. Eggs are also packed with other important stuff like protein, vitamin D, B vitamins, copper, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which are all great for you, especially your eyes. And guess what? The healthy stuff is mostly in the egg yolk, so don't believe the idea that yolks are bad for you. Now, some folks worry that eating eggs will make them gain weight or mess up their cholesterol. But don't fret. Those worries have mostly been proven wrong. Eggs can totally be part of a healthy diet. Number 2, bananas. Bananas are pretty amazing. They have lots of potassium and tryptophan, which can help you sleep better. Even just half a banana can do the trick. You can mix them into things like oatmeal or smoothies to get more tryptophan. But that's not all. Bananas also give you vitamin C, healthy carbs, and can help with digestion. They're high in something called manganese, which is great for your skin and can boost your energy. But remember, not everyone's body reacts the same way to these foods, so you should figure out what works best for you and stick with it. Number 3, dairy. Dairy, like cheese and milk, has a lot of tryptophan, which can help you relax and even sleep better. You've probably heard of drinking warm milk to help with sleep, right? People have been doing that for a long time because dairy has a calming effect and makes you feel grounded. So, if you have mood issues like ADHD, dairy might be worth a try. But there's a debate about it, because not everyone can handle dairy. Some folks can't digest it well because they're lactose intolerant. Others are sensitive to it, even if they're not lactose intolerant. One solution is to try different types of dairy, like goat milk, cottage cheese, or sheep's milk. Goat milk, for example, has a protein that's easier to digest than cow's milk, so it might work better for you. You can include dairy in your diet, but some people can do just fine without it. Number 4, nuts and seeds. Think about your favorite nuts or seeds and start adding them to your daily meals. Why? Because almost every type of nut and seed has something called tryptophan in it, which can help keep your mood steady. Whether it's peanuts, Brazil nuts, chia seeds, or flaxseed, they're all good for you. Nuts are usually not too expensive, so you can get the important nutrients they offer without breaking the bank. If you buy them in bulk and keep them in the fridge, you can save even more money. When you eat your chosen nuts or seeds, you're getting healthy fats, protein, fiber, and more. It's a good idea to switch things up and try different kinds to get the most benefits. Number 5, salmon. Fatty fish, like salmon, are super healthy because they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and you guessed it, tryptophan. Salmon is particularly good for your brain, which might not be a big surprise. The cool thing is that you can cook salmon quickly as a fillet, or you can find it in affordable cans, just like tuna. In less than 2 minutes, you can make a yummy salmon salad or sandwich, kind of like what you do with tuna. Just mix it with some olive oil, a bit of mayonnaise, lemon, and capers, and you've got yourself a healthy, calming, and satisfying lunch that can boost your serotonin levels. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.